What is going on, everyone? Platinum B is coming at you with yet another video. Today we are going to be talking about how spot price is down for platinum for the week at market close. It is Friday at 5 o'clock, so let's get into it. Okay, everyone, so spot price is down for platinum right now. At the market close on Friday, we saw a drastic dip in spot price. The spot price on private and precious metals is $1,180.06 with a bid price of $1,168.46. The day's high was 1209. The day's low was 1,168.50. So it continued to go down until close. So they were selling off platinum until the very end of close of market today. Today is Friday, like I mentioned, at 5 o'clock. So we're going to discuss what's going on, things of that nature, my thoughts, my opinions, things like that. So first and foremost, I want to say that I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all, right? And the reason for that being is this is just typical market fluctuation, right? We were floating around 1250 for a good little while. Let's go ahead and take a look at a more recent chart. Here is a 1 month chart. And as you can see here, on the 20th, we got to 1204. On the 19th, it was 1191. On the 18th, it was 1224.24. On the 17th, it was 1243, and so on and so forth. So for about a month now, we've been floating around 1250, 1230, 1250, 1200, 1220, 1250. We haven't seen below 1200 in quite a while, at least a month. So this is the first time below 1200 in a month. Let's go out a little bit further. And let's see, let's go 3 months, right? Let's see when the last time we dipped below 1200. Okay, it looks like April 20th, 2021. So it's been about exactly a month since we saw below 1200. And this is typical market fluctuation, right? So if you purchased within the last month and you paid over $1,300 an ounce, you haven't necessarily lost money unless you were to just automatically sell it right now, which I would not suggest at all. It would not be a wise investment. And chances are, with shipping and the time it takes for an e-check or a paper check to clear and everything, you just got your platinum. So you're probably not looking to sell right now anyways. And at the end of the day, guys, platinum is a long-term hold. I've mentioned this many times on my channel. Now, we are seeing current spot prices at 1180. Now that is not bad at all. As you can see here, the last time it got below 1180 is all the way back in early March. So early March was the time to really buy platinum because you wouldn't be down at all since you bought it. So 1180, right? What are we looking at with that? This is a typical market pullback. Now, platinum has typical pullbacks and typical spikes, right? We've seen $1,300 an ounce spot price in the past year. And what we're looking at right now is just your average pullback. Now, this is what occurs on a regular basis in the platinum world, right? You might buy, it might go down in price 50 bucks and you feel like you've lost money. Fret not, my platinum stackers. You have not lost money, right? You need to make platinum at least a somewhat long-term game, right? If you plan on selling in 2 or 3 years, hey, that's cool. I plan on stacking for much longer than that. However, you could potentially see gains in a few years from now, right? And so that's an interesting point to make. But as far as today was hit hard. Let's go ahead and see if we can see what the past week has done. So where did we start out this week at? So we started this week on Monday the 10th. Is that right? Let's see. Today is the 21st. So no, we started this week on Monday the 14th, which is not Monday the 14th, Monday the 17th. Okay, so Monday the 17th, we started out the week at 1243.59. Now, we saw 1224 throughout the week. We saw the price go down throughout the week. As the week continued to go on, it went back up a little bit and then it went down. But look at this chart specifically, these 5 days. This is typical fluctuation, guys. You know, it's nothing to worry about at all because this just opens up a buying opportunity. However, I don't want to sound like one of those channels that's like every time there's a dip, it's like buy now. Every time there's a spike, they're like, this is it. At the end of the day, guys, you're going to see a lot of this with stacking platinum as the time moves on. It's just up and down, up and down, up and down. And hopefully, slowly over time, it goes up. Now, let's look at the last year. As you can see, it has gone up over the last year. And that's fully what I expect to happen throughout this year. So at the end of the day, guys, if you're thinking about picking up some platinum, this weekend might not be a bad idea if you have the funds. I'm not telling you to go out, rack up debt, take out a loan, nothing like that. I'm not telling you to go and buy if you can't buy, but if you were thinking about buying, it might be a good opportunity, right? Because we could see it easily go back up to its 1250 float, so to speak, right? I'm not saying that it's going to go to 1300 on Monday, but what I am saying is there is a possibility that within the next week or so, it goes back to its 1250. So if you buy right now and you pay $100 premium, you might make back up that $50 by the time you receive the platinum in your hands. Now let's take another look at something interesting. And that is, let's see the last time it was below $1,200, April 20th, like I mentioned a month ago. So back when it dipped below $1,200, it was right here, and then it looks like it was also a week beforehand, right? And then it was 1,200, and then it was below 1,200, normal market fluctuation. So it looks like when it gets to below 1,200, it typically does that for about a week or two, and then it goes back up, right? And hopefully over time, the ups get larger than the downs, and you slowly see a staircase move upwards, right? And that's the thing we want to see in platinum, and that's the thing that we bank on the most, is the long-term hold and the slow stair-stepping up in overall value. So as far as it being below $1,200, it might last a week, it might last 2 weeks. Regardless, it's a great opportunity to buy right now if you don't have any, or if you were thinking about picking up some more. But that's just my opinion. We can also take a look at silver. Silver didn't get hit too hard. It did reach about 28 and a quarter. So it's down about 50, 60, 75 cents. Gold, on the other hand, it looks like, if it will load, looks like gold is just on the up and up, and that's just the way it is. So platinum's definitely the buy this weekend. If you were thinking about buying some precious metals, you might want to strongly consider platinum. But yeah, guys, that's what I have for you today. It's definitely been an interesting week for sure for platinum. Towards the end, we just saw it go down, down, down. And that's not something anyone ever really wants to see, but it is normal market fluctuations. So we will see what the future holds. But I appreciate everyone stopping by and checking out my video today. Be sure to leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. Be sure to hit that like button on your way out. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already so you can stay up to date with any future updates I have on my channel. I usually release a video every single day. So if you enjoy stacking platinum as well as other precious metals, be sure to follow my channel for future videos. And until next time, guys, we will see ya.